Yo! Alright guys, I wouldn't normally start the vlog like this early. It's like 25 to 2 or something in the morning, but I've been sat up for the past nearly like 2.5, 3 hours just watching the news and what's happened in Manchester, and I'm just personally pissed off how these people are just, they say at the minute it's terrorists, like how people can just be so horrible. Like, they were just kids at an Ariana Grande concert and 19 of them are dead, just kids. Just how can people be so horrible just to blow up a concert? Someone's gone out that night, kids have gone out, said goodbye to their mum and dads, gone to go and watch a concert, go and watch something they love, watch a celebrity they idolise. Then as they're leaving, that's it. They've enjoyed the concert, had a laugh with friends, be ready to talk about it at school next day, but don't get a chance to leave because some awful human being has set off a bomb and just killed 19 of them. Just some of them could just be kids, like I said, but it's just pissing me off that people do this to each other. It happened the other week in other cities. It happened at the concert, I can't remember where, I think it was Berlin or Paris, but it's happened before. But just why? Like I've said, they're just kids. It shouldn't happen, really, at all. And like I said, I've just been sat here watching the news just to see what has happened and what's confirmed. They've confirmed there were like 2 bombs. One exploded in like the foyer of the arena. I've been to that arena myself and I know exactly where this has happened. And the second, the police found, and they exploded controlled explosion away from the arena. But yeah, just how sick people can be to literally attack anybody really, but just attack kids. They were just kids at the arena. There's like clips of people just panicking running out of the arena, and all you can just see is kids with their mums just panicking. As you can see, there's a few clips of people injured. It's just horrible. This can happen. But literally, my thoughts go out to like everybody involved, families. I hope these kids who have been like sent to a hotel nearby, like there's literally, like it says on the news, there's minors sent to a hotel who've got no parents, like who are on their own, like can't find their parents. I hope they get home safe. I hope their parents get involved. I hope the people missing that have been shown on Facebook get found. I hope whatever has happened gets found out as soon as possible, and it gets stopped, because it shouldn't happen. It shouldn't happen in this country, it shouldn't happen in any country. Why do you have to attack each other? You don't need to. It's just, especially at a night where, like I said, everyone are trying to enjoy themselves. But yeah, like I said, my thoughts go out. But I'm gonna get myself to sleep now, but I just wanted to mention that at the beginning of the video because it shouldn't have happened. I was going to leave it till the morning, but I just wanted to say it now. It should not happen. Morning again, guys. Sorry about everything last night, but it just proper pissed me off that what happened. And I've just found out when I woke up it was a suicide bomber. Like, how can you have a state of mind just to attack kids? So it's pissed me off. But we should just one up this guy and do what they don't think we're going to do and carry on as normal. Yeah, on another note of things, I'm going to go out skating with Pits today. I'm going to finally get my deck off him as well, because hopefully he'll be out. So I'm going to take my trucks off my old board. So and I'll leave it like that and I'll bring it with me to swap it when I meet up with him. But yeah, finally getting hold of it. Well, what shall I set off? I reckon about an hour's time or so. Something like that. But yeah, I do need to get ready. Hey guys, finally off skating without a skateboard, as you can tell. But I've just took my trucks off my old board so I can put them on my new one. And so yeah, as soon as I meet up with him, I need to do that. That's if he remembers the board. I hope he does, because he just rung me about 10 minutes ago saying what time do you want to meet, and I did remind him, so hopefully I don't forget. So yeah, fingers crossed he done. But yeah, like I suggested, it's nice, it's good. It's nice, I'm going to make most of it being like this. today. I do need some coffee because I am still half asleep. Didn't get sleep till like I said 3 o'clock last night, and I've literally got up at 9 just because I was watching the devastation in Manchester. Like I mentioned this morning, I'm not going to keep mentioning again, but I was watching all that, so I've been up since pretty early this morning. So I do need some coffee and some food. I've been sat up for about an hour and just hadn't realised to get any breakfast, like a moron. So we'll get some food and a coffee. It's needed. Since I've cut back on energy drinks, definitely need a coffee. But I can't do all that until I've met him, and I'm not meeting him for another like 10 minutes. But I have forgot to mention, I've brought my GoPro with me and some sellotape because I ain't got one of those GoPro mounts yet for like your head or your hat or like my cap. So I'm thinking of just like, I'm going to sellotape it to like my head, like to my hat a little bit, just to see if it works, and just get like some point of view GoPro footage from like my perspective. So let's just see if that works. So yeah, that's in my bag with some sellotape, so we'll try and work on that later, because we're probably just going to have a chill day at Clifton, and I kind of don't want to push it yet because my knee just feel like 100% better, but I don't want to push it and then go back on myself and do it in just before slam dunk. Because yeah, if I do it in before slam dunk, I'll be so pissed off with myself, just because literally then I've only got 4 days to recover if I do it today. Well, I made it to my top. Let's see if the pit's actually here. So I just backed me on getting up the track. Alright, guess who finally pulled through? Pits finally brought my board. Eventually.
With grip tape.
Yeah, with grip tape for a change. Oh yeah, you brought it last time without grip tape.
You never asked.
You never... I don't know what to say to that one. I never asked for grip tape.
It's true. Sorry.
Well, I've got some grip tape and it's scratched.
You've just scratched it.
Right guys, well, it's time for coffee and to set this up. So yeah, let's get on to that. We're finally making it to Skip. Finally. I spent 2 hours in town. But yeah, like I just said a minute ago, I've just literally spent about an hour in town. Or 2 hours in town drinking coffee, and then going to the skate shop and having a chat. Now we're finally getting to skate. Yeah, finally got a new board, so this will be fun. And an empty park. So I like to see nice empty parks, sun out, good friends. Let's enjoy today.
Shit.
What? Woo! I got bird poo on myself.
Done his shit and he can't frontside flip for fuck. We're a tray flip, we're it.
I'm gonna have a sit down.
Go and have a sit down. You're just embarrassing yourself.
Okay.
Good boy.
Hey, that works.
Is it working?
What's with little...
Microphone.
Oh...
Oh, Danny, stop moving. God's sake, man. Things we do.
Pretty OG setup.
This is the most haggard thing ever.
This is what you do when you ain't got a head strap yet. Do it yourself.
I just walked into rail.
Done a good job on that, mate.
Oh, well.
Thank you.
Cheers, fuck.
When I get a proper GoPro, it'll be a lot better. See if it works. It's proper wobbly. It's working though.
Scared of it falling off. I can't scale like this. I don't reckon. See, never mind skate. You gotta pass the afternoon somehow. I can't see the kicker. Where's the... I can't see.
It's not Friday yet, is it?
No, what?
It's not Friday.
The ideas we come out with. I'm looking through like the gap in my app just to see. Ding! I can't see them here! I can't see anything there.
Yo!
Oh! Here it is. Nigel Houston coming in for his best trick. Oh, so... Fuck! Ah! Fuck! Wah, wah, wah. Fuck are you doing?
to suck the dick.
Well, it's been the longest day possible at Clifton, and I'm red hot, my face is burnt, and I'm tired. But Pitts is dragging me to another skate park, and I've got no energy left. And this was brand new this morning, and my hand's bruised, and I haven't landed a single trick.
You fucking liar.
I didn't land anything I filmed. That full cab flip I didn't get. Oh no, I got the half cab flip. That's about it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I got that. But yeah, he's dragging me to another park.
Hopefully you can land somewhere.
I don't know if I'm skate. Oh, is this gate locked or no? I don't know if I can go through the gap. I'm too fat.
It's locking that gate.
I'm too fat for this gap. I can fit it. I got through. Alright guys, it's been such a good day, but such a long day at the same time. And I'm so hungry, I just want to get home, eat. Yeah, I just want to get home and get some food. But I bought a sausage roll for the time being, and I've got 40 minutes to wait till I can go home. So I'm just going to sit down, eat a sausage roll, and enjoy just sitting down really. I'm so aching in some. Probably caught the sun all day, I just can't tell because I just can't see my face at the minute, but it's red. Oh, get me home. Oh yeah, I forgot to quickly mention as well that I rolled in like bread for earlier. Literally like the first 5 minutes being on the park, and I literally fell off and rolled in it. I love my shirt and probably ruined one of my DTV t-shirts, so I'm not best pleased about that. But yeah, literally the first 5 minutes of it, I just rolled and fell in it. Well, I'm so glad to be finally off the tram and finally knowing I'm 5 minutes from home. 5 minutes to finally just sitting down on my bed and just chilling out, because today has been such a long day. I didn't expect to be out this late. I literally thought I'd be out for a few hours skating like Clifton and then coming home, but no, it's been a really long day. It's been good though, because like later on in the day there were a lot of people out that I haven't seen in like years really. Like it was nice to see a lot of people out just because of the weather. So yeah, that's it's been a good day because of that. Oh god, I'm out of breath just going up the hill, that's how tired I am. But yeah, I hope the weather is exactly like it is today, like I mentioned before, for Slam Nook come Sunday, because then it'll make that a lot more fun as well. Alright guys, I'm so glad to be home, and I'm finally so glad to be sat down, but I'm going to call it a night now, so thanks again for watching. I was here tomorrow as always. Night guys, bye.